Ever found yourself staring at your StashAway balance, thinking, man, I wish I could get my hands on this cash? You're not alone. StashAway is fantastic for growing your money, but sometimes you need that cold hard cash. So, let's dive into the question on everyone's mind. How do you actually transfer money out of StashAway? Now, I know what you're thinking. It should be simple, right? Well, it kinda is, but there are a few things you need to know. Let's break it down. Understanding your StashAway account. Before we jump into the transfer process, it's important to understand the different types of accounts StashAway offers. This will determine how easy, or complicated, your transfer will be. Ready cash. This is your most accessible money. Think of it as your regular savings account. Transferring from here is usually a breeze. Goal-based investments. This is where things get a bit more interesting. You've got money invested for specific goals like buying a house, retirement, or that dream vacation. Transferring from here involves selling your investments, which can take time and might incur fees. The transfer process. Alright, let's get to the meat of the matter. How do you actually transfer your money? Log into your StashAway account. This is the obvious first step. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials. Navigate to the transfer section. Most platforms have a clear transfer or withdraw button. Look for it. Choose your transfer type. This is where you'll decide if you're transferring from ready cash or selling investments. Specify the amount. How much do you want to transfer? Be mindful of any minimum or maximum transfer limits. Select your transfer destination. Where do you want the money to go? Your bank account? Another investment platform? Provide account details. If you're transferring to a bank account, you'll need to input your account number and other necessary details. Double-check everything before confirming. Confirm and submit. Review all the information you've provided. Once you're satisfied, hit that confirm button. Important considerations. Transfer times. How long does it take? This varies depending on the platform and the transfer method. Some transfers might be instant, while others can take a few days. Fees. Are there any fees involved? Check StashAway's fee structure. There might be charges for selling investments or transferring large sums. Tax implications. If you're selling investments, there might be tax implications. Consult a financial advisor if you're unsure. Common challenges and solutions. Let's face it, transferring money isn't always smooth sailing. Here are some common issues and how to tackle them. Transfer errors. If your transfer fails, check for typos in your account details. Contact StashAway's customer support for assistance. Delayed transfers. If your transfer is taking longer than expected, contact your bank or StashAway to investigate. Unexpected fees. Review the transfer details carefully to understand any charges. Contact StashAway if you believe there's an error. Additional tips. Plan ahead. If you need the money urgently, plan your transfer in advance. Security. Always prioritize security. Avoid sharing your account details with anyone. Customer support. Don't hesitate to contact StashAway's customer support if you have any questions or issues. Transferring money from StashAway isn't rocket science, but it does require some planning and attention to detail. By understanding your account type, following the steps carefully, and being aware of potential challenges, you can smoothly move your money where you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing and transferring.